Thank you, Artistro, for sending this watercolor paint set to check out. And this has 48 colors, and we'll be unboxing it. All right. Inside, the box, we have this watercolor paper, 10 sheets, 7 by 3 inches or 18 by 8 centimeters, acid free, 140-pound paper. Let's open it up real quick. Okay, so the papers are not connected. And they have the like a thick cardstock with some texture to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 papers. 10 papers. Not connected. And then we have this metal box that it's encased in. You can see a little bit of the textured design on it. On the back has the different colors that will be in there. 36 of them are standard colors, 4 are neon colors, 8 are metallic colors, and of course it has the 10 pieces of watercolor paper. Opening it up is easy. We got a QR code here. We'd love to see your art projects. Tag us. Artistro, or I'm not sure if it's pronounced Artistro. Artistro. Dedicated to helping creators reach their full potential. Different products. And then we have what they call the swatch. A swatch sheet. I guess it's only one time use only. The different colors here. Then we have this, or maybe this is the swatch sheet. Tells you the different colors we have here. All lined up. Wish there was more of these. And then we have a sponge here that's not connected to anything. Then we have the extra fine tip. Shake, press down, draw. The 0.7 millimeter water-based ink. Right now you gotta prime it first. And then we have a paintbrush. And then we have this thing. I guess it's for the watercolor pen. And no instructions. But it shouldn't be too complicated, I think. I think you just Okay, so this top part comes off. And I'm assuming you fill this up with water. Alright, let's just leave that for now. Wonder what these are for. Guess to like a palette, so you can put some colors in there, mix them up. Maybe, maybe not. We're gonna do a little bit of drawing here, but we're gonna need to fill this up with a little bit of water. All right, we've filled this up with some water, and I guess due to the physics of air and everything, the water really doesn't come out unless you squeeze on the pen. So you see the water in there, or you should, but it doesn't come out. See, you see the bubble, air bubble of the water. The water doesn't come out. All right, we're gonna put the lid back on, counterclockwise. Now let's try color out. First, let's just test out the pen itself. Gonna press down. Nothing. We're gonna squeeze some water. All right. It's a little hard to see, but when you squeeze it just enough, you'll see drops dropping into the pen. Eventually, if you get enough, it drops. All right. I'm assuming you just leave it. You leave it in there. I'm gonna touch a little bit of the orange here, so we get it on the pen. Not too bad here, not too bad. It's getting a little crazy. Add a little bit of water. Oh yeah, that is fine art right there. How's it looking? How's my fox looking? Oh yeah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Alright. I don't want to waste the sponge. We're just gonna go off here at the side to kind of drain the color out. Alright, let's add a little bit of purple here. Let's kind of do this upside down a little bit. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if I'm using the pen right. I just put the water, just dilutes it. What color can we use? I guess let's try the onyx black. I'm just making it worse. Or am I making it better? Mm, just dumping out the water. Let's go with the blue here. Yeah, that's coming along nicely. Happy accidents. Happy accidents. Not bad for my first time. That is art. That is ARTISTRO. Paper seems to be holding up. Doesn't leak through. It's thick enough. Well, let's prime this extra fine tip. Shake. First we need to shake. Press, then draw. Press. And then draw. And quick smudge test. Of course, you got to give it some time to dry. If you're gonna, got to definitely be careful about smudging it. It's only been about 30 seconds.